Hello world, this is Saurabh Mathur, and in this video I'll be telling you how you can make money as a Clickfunnels affiliate. So if you are new to this channel is all about make money online, where I tell you my different tips and strategies that will help you to build a profitable business online. So if you're not aware, Clickfunnels has got their own affiliate program and they pay a 40% monthly recurring commission. So let's say if someone joins under you for a $97 plan, then you are going to get a commission of $38 per month as long as they remain subscribed to that particular plan. And if they subscribe to $297 plan, then you are going to get a commission of $118. So now the question comes, how you can make people to sign up under you. So I'll tell you 3 different strategies which you can follow to get more people signed up under you for Clickfunnels. So the number 1 strategy is free training giveaway. Yes, you can give away a free training based on any topic. It could be training related to Clickfunnels, training related to Facebook, training related to setting up an online business, affiliate marketing. It could be anything. So you need to give away that training for free to people, and then you can follow up with them to sign up under you for Clickfunnels, and they can use that training to build their own business or whatever they're trying to do through that particular training. So let me show you my funnel of my free training giveaway. So this is my funnel for a free training, and it's a very simple funnel. It says the free 100-day action plan, how to start earning full-time commissions as an affiliate marketer. And once someone clicks on download now, there they will have to enter their email address and they will be added to my list. And that is very important. Now once they add it to my list, I can build relationship with them. I can help them in whatever problem they're facing with their online business, and I can provide value to them, and then I can promote my other offers as well to my particular list. And once they enter their email address and click on get instant access, then they will be directed to this thank you page where I'm just telling them my story, and I'm asking them to subscribe to my YouTube channel, join my Facebook group, and join my Instagram. So these are basically the call to actions which I put in on this particular page. So that way those people not only will be added to my list, they will be also joining my Facebook group, they will be subscribing to my YouTube channel, they will be following me on Twitter. So that's how you're gonna build your relationship with these people. You're gonna help them out, and then they will eventually buy from you. So the number 2 method to make money as a Clickfunnels affiliate is through giving away free funnels. You can give away the funnels which you create, or you can also get funnels from other people and you can give it away to people for free. Like I'm also giving away this particular training funnel. So if any one of you needs that funnel, you can just drop me an email at saurabh@digitalmarketingparadise.com, and I will give you this particular funnel, and I will also assist you to set up the funnel based on your offer and your training. So you can give away the funnel. There are different funnels. Let's say I also have this membership course funnel. So if someone is looking for to create an online course, then I can give them this particular membership funnel which they can use, and they can also give it to other people. So how you will be making money through this? So in order to use the funnel, they need Clickfunnels account. If they do not have Clickfunnels account, once they click on the link which you're going to give them for the shared funnel, they will be cookied to you, and once they sign up to Clickfunnels, you will be getting the commission. So that is the idea. So the third way with which you can make money as a Clickfunnels affiliate is through SEO consulting. So in SEO consulting, what you have to do, you need to reach out to local businesses who may be using traditional websites, and you need to check how they're doing the lead building, what all funnels they have, and how you can help them to create different funnels for lead generation, for getting more customers through Clickfunnels. So basically you need to target the local businesses in your area and help them out using Clickfunnels, using which they can also increase their sales and business. So these are top 3 ways with which you can make money as a Clickfunnels affiliate. And there is also an incentive of being a Clickfunnels affiliate. So if you get 200 members under you, you are going to qualify for the dream car. So Clickfunnels is going to pay you $500 per month for your dream car. So you can check it out about Dream Car in your affiliate dashboard. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I've got a free course which is in the description down below. It's totally free. Just click on the link and get the course. And if you have any questions on Clickfunnels or affiliate marketing, do let me know in the comments down below and I'll get back to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.